Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Cell Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
Just as last time during the visit of Margaon MLA and the Waste Management Corporation MD Levinson had discovered a milk bag of 13 rupees grade, that is of 2006. Here we are getting similar bags. So now what sort of remediation has happened where? So they were trying to prove that the remediation process is happening successfully, and here we are getting the same package here. So what do we prove by this? There by the display of a bag, they try to convey to the public that bioremediation is taking place scientifically. And now what do we have to say on this? When the same 13 rupees bags are found here of 2006 probably, we don't know when. This is what we want to try to prove, that this is not bioremediated waste, this is not inert, nor this is compost.